I have here is a outdoor irrigation system that is self-watering the plants. Vacation time, go away, you need to water. It could take care of your small garden needs, your household plants outdoor, your vegetables and fruits, whatnot. I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up and easy to operate. Here we go. Watering every day. We have this irrigation kit. Inside the box we have these blue stakes. They will be your dripping irrigation system with anchors, a filter and tube for your barrel, your area that you're going to put your water in, your wall mount and stake, your solar panel and controller, along with enough tube to irrigate your system, and an instruction guide on how to set it up and how to use your system. We hear the unit go on. You can see the water coming out. 2-day, 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, 6-day, 7-day, and back to the hours. So as we set our unit up, when to go on, watering time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So every 12 hours, it will go on. You have a nice control panel in green with an on and off and a time interval and the watering time and a small display window in the center. It is an adjustable angle for the sun, 120 degrees. On the bottom is going to be where you're going to stick in your device, your stakes, and your tubes. You take the shoe, the mount, slide and lock in, the wall mount, or the stake, push down and find a spot to place in your soil and adjust your panel. Over here, we're going to hang up our wall mount. And we're going to allow the unit to collect sun all day long before running. And lock down and adjust the panel accordingly. Starting here, we're going to place in our drip by putting the hose on, making a cut, placing a T adapter on, to the next one, placing the T adapter on, and cover each ends up like so. In the plant in the center, place on. Attach another irrigation system and repeat. Place one end into the siphon, the other end like so, and into the unit. We have a T. It goes into an air system. The other end that's going into a bucket. Place on. And the filter, let sink to the bottom. And start your irrigation system. To see the unit working, we simply unplug to show you that the water's coming out and siphoning. This is the irrigation system, watering the plants, drip irrigation. If you are looking for a drip irrigation system for your household plants, outdoor, indoor, this product may be something that you are looking for to self-watering your plants on an hourly basis, day-by-day timer. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are interested in your gardening needs.